Hi, first graders. I hope you had a wonderful winter break. Mrs. Fennell stayed put right here in Maryland. And I had a lot of fun with my kids just doing a lot of local things around the area. I can't wait to hear the things that you guys did. This week for math, we're going to be doing something that's a review. We did it the week before winter break, double digit addition with and without regrouping. Today, we're going to take a step back and go into double digit addition without regrouping. Make sure you have your tens and ones. I know that it's going to be easier and faster to do it without those tens and ones, but just to begin with, I want you to at least try to do one or two of them with your tens and ones. And the purpose for that is to help you visualize exactly what you're doing and you're not just memorizing steps, and you really understand what it means to regroup, what it means to not regroup. So be sure to take out those tens and ones and do at least a few of them with the tens and ones. Please reach out if you have any questions. Tomorrow we'll be diving into a double digit addition with regrouping in our live Zoom. Can't wait to see you guys. Bye.
First, let's look at our problem. 22 plus 7. The first thing we're going to do is build 22. But before I build 22, I'm going to write a T for tens. This is my tens column. And an O for ones. So in the number 22, I have two tens. 10, 20. In the number 22, I have two ones. Now I'm going to look at my second number, 7. In the number 7, there are no tens because the number is less than 10, and there's 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Before I move on, the first thing I must always do when I'm adding two ones is make sure that I don't have a group of 10 that I can move over. So that means if you have 10 or more, you'll have a group of 10 to move over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're good. That's not a group of 10. Now we're going to go ahead and add. Let's look at what's in our ones column. 2 plus 7. 2, and then we added 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's look at how many we have in our tens column. We have 2 sets of 10, so 2. Our answer is 29. Let's check to see if this is correct. Remember, when we're counting using our tens and ones board, we always go from left to right, the bigger to the smaller. So I'm going to start with my tens. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That is the correct answer. All right, so here's the independent practice. I'm going to do the first one with you just to show you how to do it, and then you guys can do the rest on your own. And I'm going to go ahead and write a T right here for tens, and I'm going to write an O for ones, just to remind me. You don't have to do that on every single one. Just do it on one just to help you remember this is the tens column, this is the ones column. So the first thing I'm going to do, just like we did last time, is build the number 25. There are two tens in 25, 10, 20, and then there are 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's number 25. Now I'm going to build my second number. It's the number 4. 4 is less than 10, so there's no group of 10. There's just 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I do not have a group of 10 here that I can move over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're good. That's under the number 10. So now I'm going to look at my ones column. 5 plus 4. I did 5 ones and 4 ones. Let's see what it equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then let's look at our tens column. We have 2 sets of 10. My answer is 29. Let's make sure that's correct. Remember, we start over here, counting from bigger to smaller. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's correct. Okay, boys and girls, many times when we say counting by 10, we immediately think 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And that is counting by tens. But you can also count by tens by starting on a different number. So for example, if I start on 8 and I say 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, and 98, that's also counting by tens. I just started on a different number. So today we're going to be doing 10 less and 10 more. Now this is a review lesson. We already did this in school and you guys also did it last week, but I'll just do it briefly to remind you how to do it. So here we have the number 33. We know that the ones is going to stay the same because they're asking us for 10 less and 10 more. So we're only looking at this number because that's the number in the tens place. So some of you might already know that 10 less is 23 and 10 more is 43. And if you don't know that, that is okay because practice is what gets you learning these things so much faster. So just go over here, 33, and 10 less, that means the number is smaller. You're going to go backwards. It's 23. For 10 more, you're going to go forward, 43. If you look here, the ones stayed the same because that's not what they were asking you to change. They were asking you to change the tens. The tens is what changed. 10 less is 23, 10 more is 43.